Variety is the spice of life, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm not actually here to say, oh, let's vary the diet phenomenally. What I actually want to talk to you is about the variety names of the foods you eat. Because you eat more fruits and vegetables than anybody else that you know. You are viewed as the expert on fruits and vegetables among the people you know. And amongst your peers too, who know about fruits and vegetables, you want to appear knowledgeable. And you want to be able to give people recipes that work. And if you just say tomato, add tomato to this recipe, it'll come out just fine. Well, maybe it will, but maybe it's a specific kind of tomato. And it would sure be nice to know the name, because certain tomatoes taste more smoky, and certain tomatoes taste more peppery, and certain tomatoes have a much sweeter, certain tomatoes are much thicker, they have more fiber, some are more watery. And if you want specific recipes, it would be really helpful, especially for other people who don't know as much as you, if you can tell them, oh, I really like mango. Well, great. There's hundreds of varieties of mango. I don't like them all. There are some actually that I do not like at all, and others that I would go out of my way if I could get a hold of that particular mango. Which one is it? Well, I like the Carrie mango. If I can get a hold of Carrie mango, I'll drive an extra hour if somebody tells me they can get me a couple cases of Carrie mango. I'll drive an hour each way. But if somebody says, hey, I've got really inexpensive Tommy mangoes, all you want for 50 pounds for $4, and I go, you know what? I don't even want one Tommy mango for free, thank you. It's not to my liking. Now, there's different reasons it might not be or be to your liking. I don't like the texture, and to me, texture really matters. Maybe you could care less because you like the flavor and you're willing to put up with the texture. But learning the name helps dramatically, and I'm encouraging you, as a person who knows a bit about food, especially about fruits and vegetables, to learn the names of what you're eating so that you can tell other people, well, you know, it wasn't just any old celery, it was a specific kind of celery that I grew in my very own garden, and it was so different than the variety that you buy in the store. Or it was a different kind. I mean, to just say mushroom, that won't fly. We have to know what kind of mushroom, because each has different qualities, different textures, different flavors. It doesn't matter. The funny thing is, to me, that we can probably all name 10 different kinds of apples, 10 different varieties of apples. We can probably name 10 different varieties of grapes. And then the foods that we really love, we love papaya, we love mango, we love tomato. And you go, I don't know. And it's not that hard to learn. The cool part is that it's really good for you to learn. Learning is fun and mental. And strengthening your mental powers is a very good practice. Learning is something you always want to be doing. Every single day, be learning something. Whether it's physical or mental or emotional, it really doesn't matter what it is, but learning every day is important. It's a fundamental part of living, is to keep learning and keep growing. So I'm encouraging you as a leader, as a person who other people notice that you're eating so many fruits and vegetables that, wow, like something's up here. They're looking to you for answers. I'm encouraging you to learn the names. Ask your produce dealer. Look on the package. Learn what's going on with the food you eat. Learn which varieties you like, which you don't like, when they're in season, where they come from, where they're grown, who the grower might be. I have certain growers that I really love, really trust, and other growers where I go, this probably, if this fruit is good, I'm going to be surprised, because they shipped it and it came to market, but I know from whence it came, that in prior experience, these weren't my all-time favorite growers. Learn as much as you can about the food you eat and be able to tell others exactly what it is, not just, oh, I ate a grape today, I really liked it. Well, what kind was it? We learn the variety names. It helps with our communications tremendously, and it puts you in a position of leadership and teachership that is always to your advantage. This is Dr. Doug Graham reminding you to go to health.